Guys, good news, good news, good news, good news, good news, guys. I'm super excited. Like, I've been trying to make research. People have been asking me, how do we not even access it? At least, what can we even do with it? That is how much people love Grok. Like, I went and did my research and did everything, and I discovered a cheat, guys. I discovered a code. In fact, this is literally you going to kill two birds with a stone. Like, what I'm saying is that Grok is free. Before now, I used to subscribe with 48,500. Now, guys, you can literally access Grok for as low as $2. And I'm going to show you in this video how you can get Grok AI for free. All your fears are gone. So let me sign in and show you something. Before now, you can see Super Grok try free for 3 days, and after 3 days you are going to be seeing you will be asked to subscribe for 48,500. After 3 days you don't need to pay 48,500 naira, because I'm going to show you how you can actually get it for free, guys. Now, for you to actually get this code, for you to be able to access Grok AI for free, you need to go to Twitter. Yes, go to X. At this point, if you don't have an X account or you don't operate X account, now this is the time you actually need it, guys. This is the time you need X account. Yes, X account is formerly Twitter, right? And they call it X right now. Now, the idea behind all this is that you need to subscribe to the premium version of X for you to actually use Grok AI for free, right? Because the owner of X is the owner of Grok. I think they're literally trying to promote Twitter more, and they're giving you the privilege to come on board on Twitter. And if you're able to subscribe their premium version, just like on Facebook, they have meta verification. If you subscribe to meta verification, you have access to a lot of things. That is what they're trying to do with this one now. Now, if you subscribe to the premium version of that X, you are able to have access to Grok AI for free. Like, you're not going to pay for anything. Okay, now we are going to go to X. For you to actually do this, you need to go to X, download X, or go to the website, but the best one is for you to download it. Okay, so I already have X on my phone. So I have X on my phone. This is the logo in case you're looking for it. Okay, so this is what the interface looks like, right? This is what the interface looks like. Like I said, for you to access it, you need to subscribe to the premium version. And when you download the app and get to this app, you look at above here, you're going to see your profile. So I'm just going to tap on my profile. So when you tap on your profile, you're going to see profile, premium, communities, bookmarks, list, and our focus is on this premium, right? I'm actually not a heavy user of X. I just have 5 followers, but since this update came about, I'm literally going to start using it because I'm going to subscribe to this premium version. And this is actually an opportunity for you to start creating content on X, right? Because it can literally help you to make money as well, because content creators on this app are really making a lot of money. So if this is an opportunity, if Grok is actually going to make you start creating content on X, that is actually a win-win, right? So, and normally I'm not even supposed to subscribe to this because I already have a paid version of Grok. Like I said in my other video, normally I've been subscribing for the 8,500 naira for the app because I wanted more features from the Grok app. So I usually subscribe. Okay, so when the news came to me that you cannot access it for free, it was not literally a shock to me because I was already a heavy subscriber of it. But because of this tutorial, I'm going to use another of my email to subscribe to this premium version so that you can actually see how to do it. So for you to do this, just click on premium, right? Once you click on premium, you're going to see basic. Now the X app has the basic version under the premium, okay, and then it has the premium, and then it has the premium plus. Okay, so now this premium plus now is gotten for 3,050 naira. That means if you pay for this basic premium package, you're going to have usage limits. You're not going to have access to Super Grok. Okay, you're not going to have access to all these features. So guys, pay attention to this part very well, because when I was explaining, I didn't really explain this part, and this is where a lot of persons are missing it. Now, if you pay for the basic version, right, which is 3,000 naira, you're going to have access to Grok, but you will not have access to create videos with Grok, but you can have access to create a lot of images. You can create your images, you can ask questions, every other thing you want to do on Grok, you will be able to do it. Now, it is this 7,600 naira, which is the basic premium, which is the normal premium package, that you can be able to have access to Grok AI, right? You can create your videos. You can click on the imagine aspect of Grok, if you're a user of Grok, you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so what I'm literally saying in essence is that if you want to subscribe, right, I actually made this mistake when I was doing, okay, in the course of this tutorial, you're going to see where I went to go and subscribe for 3,015 naira, thinking I will be able to create videos with it. So when I went back to the app, I noticed that it was only images I could have access to create with Grok. Right before now, you can't even have in fact, right now you cannot have access to creating images or videos or anything. But if you subscribe to this basic version, you're going to be able to create images and every other thing. That's for this basic version. The one you cannot be able to create videos with is when you subscribe to this 7,600 naira and this 38,900 naira, but your focus should just be on the 7,900 naira, right? And they're actually doing promo now, so you should actually take advantage of it. So this is basically it. Okay, do not subscribe for the 3,015 naira if you want to be creating videos. You can see at this point I went ahead to subscribe for the 3,015 naira, but it's actually all good. I already have a paid version of it, right? I already subscribed for the 8,500 naira. I already have a paid version, right? Once that one is finished, I will then come back and subscribe for the 7,900 naira on. But for this 3,015 naira I subscribed is for me to have access to images and all of that. So if you're doing your own, please go ahead for the 7,900 naira, which is also well subsidized, right? It's also well subsidized because you don't have to pay 48,500 naira to create videos. Now when you do the one for 7,900 naira, you'll be able to create your videos, have access to all features on Grok. Okay, and once you do that, all you need to do is to just click on Grok from your X, and once you click on Grok from your X, you are able to access it, right? So this is the process of trying to make payments. Just input your card and all of that, and then click on subscribe, right? So I have just made my payment and I have just subscribed, guys. Now it says welcome to Premium Basic. I just made my payment and it says welcome to Premium Basic. Now they say take a quick tour. Now stand out with reply boosts. Take control of your posts. So let's see what we are able to get. Immediately I subscribe to the basic premium package of Grok. Okay, so I clicked on the Grok from X and then it brought me to this interface. If you look above here, you can see there's nothing like Imagine. Imagine is where you can animate your images, right? You can say only have access to create image, edit image, latest news, ask anything. This is what I really have access to, which is also good once I subscribe to the basic premium package of X, right? That is what I'm saying. If you want to get access to the imaging, where you can actually create and image videos, then you go for the premium package, which is the 7,900 naira package, right? Once you're able to subscribe, all you need to do is to go back to Grok. Okay, so once you come back to Grok, what you're going to do is you're going to see this interface: continue with Google, continue with X, continue with X. So because you use X because you just made payment for X, so you can access Grok, just click on continue with X.